Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a super delicious curry fishball cart noodle. The delicious and springy fish balls will definitely make you praise them. Peel the onion and cut it into small pieces. Avoid cutting it too finely to avoid burning it. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Add diced onions and fry over medium-low heat until the onions become soft, translucent, and release a sweet aroma. Keep the heat at medium to low. Add the fish balls and 2 small pieces of curry. Add some water, cover and cook for 3 minutes. Add some coconut milk and blend it with fish balls and onions to form a thick curry base. In another pot, bring water to a boil and add cart noodles. Use chopsticks to gently separate the noodles to prevent them from sticking together. After the noodles are cooked, remove them, add seasoning, and mix well. Finally, pour the curry fish balls and soup over the noodles and enjoy while hot.